Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down tech gear so you know exactly what you're getting. Today, we're looking at a TV accessory that might not be flashy, but it's essential. The JMJDGEJM 1 Connect Box Power Supply Cable, compatible with several Samsung QLED models like the QN65Q7FAM, QN75Q7C, QE55Q7FAM, and more. If you've got one of these TVs and your One Connect setup isn't working or you lost your cable, this could be your fix. At first glance, this looks like your standard One Connect power cable, but let's get into the details. It's specifically built for compatibility with Samsung models that use the 75Q7 FAM style One Connect box. That means it's not a generic aftermarket solution. It's designed to match the specs of the original. The cable is built for stability and offers strong signal transmission, which helps reduce any chance of flickering or dropout that you might get with low-quality alternatives. Another thing I like is the slim cable design. It's flexible, and it's meant to be either hidden along a wall or even routed through in-wall conduits, giving you a much cleaner look if you're going for that minimalist TV wall aesthetic. This helps when your One Connect box is placed far from the display, maybe in a cabinet or an AV rack, and you still want it to look sleek. The One Connect box itself is all about consolidating your connections. With this cable, you keep all your HDMI, USB, and power going to one hub instead of straight into the back of the TV. That makes it much easier to swap out game consoles, Blu-ray players, streaming sticks, or whatever else you're using, all without fumbling behind your mounted TV. The power cable plays a huge part in making that whole system function smoothly, so it's not something you want to cut corners on. Installation is simple. If your TV and box are compatible, it's basically plug and play. One end connects to the TV, the other to the One Connect box, done. It's meant to reduce wear and tear on your TV's native ports by centralizing everything through the box, so over time, it actually protects your gear. Build quality-wise, the cable feels solid, not too stiff, not too thin. It's long enough to work in most living room or bedroom setups, though you should always double-check the length before buying just to make sure it fits your space. One thing to note, as of now, this particular cable isn't eligible for shipping to every country. If you're outside the US, like in India for example, you might get a message saying it can't be shipped to your location. That's definitely a drawback, and I hope the brand expands shipping soon. It's available on Amazon, and the listing does show solid compatibility information, so you can match it up with your TV model pretty easily before ordering. So who is this for? If you've got a Samsung QLED TV from the Q7 series and your One Connect setup needs a replacement power cable, this one by JMJDGEJM is worth considering. It's simple, reliable, and does exactly what it promises. Just be sure to double-check compatibility with your specific model. It's not a glamorous product, but it's one of those behind-the-scenes pieces that keeps your home theater running smoothly. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more no-nonsense reviews. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want us to test other TV accessories. See you in the next one.